Okay, and continuing, so some notes on Aztec religion, right? So you can see the names and the language there, right? So she'll be referring to a few of these Quetzalcoatl, pardon my pronunciation, but primarily it'll be Quatlacu, okay, Quatlaque, the female earth deity, right? So I've given you some background here on her, right? You'll see that more in chapter 4. And then the final thing here is La Malinche, also known as Malinali, right? So this is the woman who is um, seen as was supposedly she betrayed the Aztecs to Cortez. She became his mistress, and so this was seen as a great betrayal, and so she has gone down in history as a very divisive figure. Okay, and then I've added to that this other aspect, la chingada, which means literally the f-bomb one, right? So she'll use this, right, or Anzaldúa will use it. So she'll connect la chingada to the idea of la malincha, right? So the woman who is scapegoated, and she'll tie that into her gender sort of politics or her feminist, womanist sort of intervention into history. Okay, and moving on, I've given you some information here on the Texas Revolution, on the Mexican-American War. Okay, so hopefully it's not cramming your head with too much, but sometimes it can be useful to get the references that she's working. And then we have beginning the first chapter, so let's just take a few minutes to look at this. So you can see the homeland, Aztlan, right? So the Aztec, legendary Aztec idea of homeland, and then El Otro Mexico, and then epigraph is in Spanish, and this is a reference to a song from a popular band of the time. So you notice that she's working both in English and Spanish. She's giving us Spanish here outright, and then she includes it in her text here, the Aztecas del Norte. Again, pardon my Spanish pronunciation. I don't speak Spanish, but I've learned a lot of Spanish by teaching this this text over the years. So the Aztecas del Norte composed the largest single tribe or nation of Indians found in the United States today, dot, 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 and dot, dot, dot after the Aztecs del Norte. Some call themselves Chicanos and see themselves as people whose true homeland is Aztec.